Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited, formerly known as REC Power Distribution Company Limited. It's a wholly owned subsidiary of REC Limited, a Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise under Ministry of Power and Government of India. So they have released a couple of recruitment notification for experienced professional on a fixed term basis. So do keep this in mind. It's a contractual job and not a permanent job. At serial number 10, there is a vacancy for deputy executive in finance domain. It's a L3 grade vacancy. And at serial number 11, there is a vacancy for executive assistant finance. It's a L2 grade vacancy. Here the qualification asked for both the post is either a CA, CMA or MBA finance with minimum 60% marks. So here this 60% requirement is only for MBA candidate and not for CA, CMA. So do keep this in mind. Here there is a one vacancy for unreserved category candidate in deputy executive and two vacancies for assistant executive. Here the experience asked for deputy executive is 6 years and for assistant executive is 3 years, and the age requirement for deputy executive is 40 years and for assistant executive it is 35 years. And you need to have a experience in the area of corporate accounting, direct and indirect taxation, accounts payable and receivable, treasury management, financial management, analysis and audit coordination. So basically finance and accounts domain expertise is required. For deputy executive 6 years experience, for assistant executive 3 years experience is required. So if you are having that much experience, then you are eligible to apply for these posts. Though the vacancy is just for unreserved category candidate, even if you are from any reserved category candidate, you can apply under this post. There is no restriction on that. Now let's also talk about the remuneration. So friend, deputy executive with 6 years experience will be paid a monthly consolidated pay of rupees 85,000 per month, and assistant executive with 3 years experience will be paid 62,000 as a monthly consolidated pay. Here they have specifically mentioned that monthly consolidated pay is exclusive of all other benefits, that is such as mobile set reimbursement, laptop reimbursement, office bag reimbursement, hardship allowance, etc. So all these are not covered in your this monthly pay. You will be paid over and above that amount. Now selection procedure, very important. Friends, here the selected candidate will be called for personal interview to be conducted at the corporate office of REC Power. So since it's a experience category post, they won't conduct any written test. They will shortlist candidate directly for the personal interview round, and based on that they will select the candidate. And here they have specifically mentioned that these posts are purely temporary in nature and for fixed tenure, initially for a period of 3 years, which can be further extended by 1.5 years. So like this, the maximum period will be 4.5 years depending upon the requirement, but initially it will be for 3 years period only and will not be considered as a regular employment. So do keep this in mind. It's a contractual and not permanent. And your cutoff date for ascertaining age and experience will be 28th November 2024. Now how to apply, friends? You have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. Then step by step details are mentioned. You can check them, and in case you are facing any difficulty, you can write an email to them at the mentioned email address for resolving any of your query. Now important dates, friends. Online application is already started from 30th October 2024 and last date of making online application is 28th November 2024. So you still have sufficient time to fill up this vacancy. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you can give it a try. Though it is a contractual job, but you will get a exposure working in a PSU company, and it will add it to your career and your resume, and which will help you to get your future jobs. Say suppose in case there is a vacancy where the experienced candidate are required, but the experience asked in a PSU or any big organization, then this experience will help you to get that job. So don't think that it's a contractual job, I should not go. You should give it a try, and if selected, you will get a good exposure working in the PSU company. So do consider this opportunity. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.